All right, let's look at 30% off of 20. We are going to find the amount of the discount. We are not finding the final price. We're just looking for the amount of the discount. So it is 30% of 20. We will cross multiply and then divide. 20 times 30 divided by 100 gives us a discount of $6. Answer the remaining 4 questions for your warm-up. Why do you think the person placed a mobile order and an order in the drive-thru? Perhaps he forgot something. Maybe he was picking up something for him and something for somebody else, and he wanted it as 2 separate transactions. He could have placed the mobile order for part of his order because he had a coupon he wanted to use, and then he could have placed an order at the drive-thru to use a different coupon. Today we're going to explore how to use coupons to get the lowest combined subtotal. You're going to use several pages from your workbook today. The menu for Vic's Diner, the paper coupons, and then there's some additional paper coupons. Oh, and the mobile coupons. So mobile coupons and paper coupons. So the problem you're trying to work on today says, Mr. White ordered some food for his family. He placed 1 mobile order and 1 drive-through order, so he could use multiple coupons. Only 1 coupon can be applied to a mobile order. For drive-through orders, there is no limit on the number of coupons, except that 1 coupon can be used per item. Determine which items should be on his mobile order and which items should be on his drive-through order, so he spends the least amount of money for the items below: a pizza, a sandwich, a hot dog, a burger, 3 snacks, and a drink. Some key details from that problem: only 1 mobile order can be placed, and only 1 coupon can be used for that mobile order. For the drive-through orders, there is no limit to the paper coupons that you can use, as long as only 1 coupon is used per item. So let's look specifically at the pizza. The pizza for a cheese pizza is $8.50. Our coupons that we could use for a pizza include the 15% off of 1 item, the 30% off of a regular entree, $2 off of a purchase. And so if we were to do 15% of $8.50, would save us $1.28 approximately. 30% off of $8.50 would save us $2.55. Or $2 off would save us $2. Let's look at what we might do if we ordered it using the paper coupons through the drive-thru or through the other process. I could save $3 off any regular price pizza. That beats all of the mobile order coupons. So my thought is that I'm going to avoid getting the pizza in the mobile order and put it in the regular order. So in the drive-thru, I'm going to order the pizza, the cheese pizza, through the drive-thru. And I'm going to use the $3 off coupon. Now let's look at possible options for the hot dog. The plain hot dog is $2.50. If I put it in a hot dog combo, I could save $2 off. I could also get 30% off of $2.50, which is about 75 cents that I would save using that method. Or I could get 15% off of one item. Let's say I put it in a combo. The combo adds $2.50, but I get a drink and a snack. So it would be $2.50 for the plain hot dog plus $2.50 for the combo. And I would get the drink and a snack. Well, just by getting the drink and the snack as part of the combo, I'm saving 50 cents because $1.25 and $1.75 is $3, but they're only charging me $2.50. So now I have a $5 combo. So with the $5 combo, I could get 15% off the combo. 15% off of a combo would save me 75 cents. I could get 30% off of the hot dog by itself, which would give me 75 cents. I could also get $2 off of the combo, which would give me $2 off altogether of those 3 items. So I'm thinking I'll probably put the hot dog in a combo in a mobile order, but let's check. Are there any specifically for a hot dog over here? No, but there's a 10% off a combo. But we already tried the 15% off the combo and we saw that the $2 off the combo purchase was a better deal. So we don't want that one. And 30% off of it would be better than 20% off of a single item. So we're probably going to put our hot dog combo in our mobile order and use the $2 off coupon. That takes care of the pizza, the hot dog, one of the snacks, and the drink. So now we need to put 2 snacks, a burger, and a sandwich in our drive-thru order. So let's look at the remaining pieces. The turkey sandwich is going to be the cheapest option. And it costs $4.50. Using the coupons, the paper coupons, $1.50 off of a regular sandwich can be used. Which means that our sandwich is going to cost $3. We still need to order a hamburger or a cheeseburger. The hamburger is cheaper. And it costs $4.75. We can use 20% off of a single item and use it on the hamburger. 20% off of a $4.75 item, 0.2 times 475 is 95 cents that we save. So 475 minus the 95 cents we save is $3.80 for our sandwich or our hamburger. And we need 2 additional sides. So it doesn't matter what side we get, we just need a side that is $1.25. They're all the same price. And we can use the 35% off of the snack. So 35% off of $1.25 will save us approximately 44 cents. So $1.25 minus 44 cents means that the side is still going to cost us 55 cents. Oh, I did that wrong. $1.25 minus 44 cents is 81 cents. Okay, and then we need a side 2. And the other coupon that we can still use is the 10% off of a regular item. So if we did 10% off of $1.25, is about 13 cents. So $1.25 minus 13 cents leaves us with $1.12 left for the second side. Now our combined subtotal is going to be all of these values added together, all of our subtotals added together. So we have $3 for the hot dog combo, $5.50 for the pizza, $3 for the sandwich, $3.80 for the hamburger, 81 cents for one of our sides, and $1.12 for the other, which gives me a subtotal of $17.23 for all of these items. Now you can try different combinations of combos and coupons, and which one is done in the mobile order and which is done through the drive-through to try and get your total to be even cheaper than $17.23. So go ahead and try other combinations if you still have some workbook space available. Then it asks us to do a gallery walk and to think about the work of our peers in class. Does the work communicate their thinking? Is the work precise and complete? Is it clear how they arrived at their answer? And could other coupons be used to get a lower price? And that is the end of lesson 13, all on getting the best deal from the restaurants.